रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक his Binance account contained a staggering 326,000 US. तो इन दोनों का कम्बिनेशन, जो कि कम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ हाई वैल्यू ट्रांजैक्शन ट्रायल एंड द यूज ऑफ अ बैंड प्लेटफॉर्म makes the legal challenge for Ducky Bhai's defense team much harder. Assalamu alaikum and welcome. I am Barrister Kamran Ilyas. पिछली वीडियो में we talked about Ducky Bhai's arrest and his possible defense. Today we have some new and very serious details about his case. Reports के मुताबिक his Binance account contained a staggering 326,000 US. A forensic audit by the National Cyber Crime Investigation Agency (NCCIA) has revealed कि 5,50,000 USD came into his account और 6 लाख USD were taken out. साथ ही Binance is banned in Pakistan. ये केस को, ये सारी डिटेल्स बहुत अलग लेवल पे ले जाती हैं. सो लेट्स एनालाइज दीज फैक्ट्स फ्रॉम अ लीगल पर्सपेक्टिव. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इस केस की सबसे अहम डेवलपमेंट की, जो कि है फॉरेंसिक ऑडिट. व्हेन एन एजेंसी लाइक NCCIA डज अ फॉरेंसिक ऑडिट ऑफ अ क्रिप्टो अकाउंट, इट्स नॉट जस्ट चेकिंग द बैलेंस. वो एक डीप डाइव करते हैं, सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं, यूजिंग स्पेशलाइज्ड सॉफ्टवेयर एंड टेक्निक्स टू ट्रेस एवरी सिंगल ट्रांजैक्शन ऑन द ब्लॉकचेन. वो ये देखते हैं कि पैसा कहाँ से आया, किसके पास गया और किस तरीके से ट्रांसफ़र हुआ. द नंबर्स यू जस्ट हर्ड, 5,50,000 USD कमिंग इन एंड 6 लाख USD गोइंग आउट आर नॉट जस्ट फिगर्स, दे आर पोटेंशियल एविडेंस ऑफ अ फाइनेंशियल ट्रायल that the authorities are now following. अब we all know that पाकिस्तान में क्रिप्टो करेंसी ट्रांजैक्शंस का लीगल स्टेटस बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैज़ इशूड मल्टीपल सर्कुलर्स बैनिंग or at least advising against cryptocurrency transactions. अच्छा, report suggests a blanket ban is in place. Binance is not a legally recognized entity in Pakistan. Using a ban platform itself can be a violation of our laws, particularly those related to foreign exchange and financial regulations. तो इन दोनों का combination, जो कि combination of a high value transaction trial and the use of a banned platform makes the legal challenge for Ducky Bhai's defense team much harder. ये prosecution के केस को strength करता है कि the transactions were suspicious and potentially illegal. तो प्रोसिक्यूशन का केस तो हमें पता चल गया कि इनका केस अब स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया है. ऑन वन साइड द प्रोसिक्यूशन हैज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग केस. अब उसके अंदर एविडेंस क्या है जी? वो एविडेंस दे सकते हैं इलिसिट गेन्स का. द लार्ज रैपिडली मूविंग सम्स ऑफ मनी आर अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिकेटर ऑफ फाइनेंशियल क्राइम सच एज अ मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग. मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग वाली बात भी हम कर सकते हैं. द प्रोसिक्यूशन कैन आर्ग्यू दैट ये पैसा उन इलीगल गैम्बलिंग एप्स की प्रमोशन से कमाया गया था, मेकिंग इट प्रोसीड्स ऑफ क्राइम. अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद यूज ऑफ बैंड प्लेटफॉर्म की बात हो सकती है. दे विल लाइकली आर्ग्यू बाय यूजिंग Binance he knowingly engaged in an illegal activity and circumvented legal financial channels. This gives them another angle to build their case. फिर उसके बाद डिजिटल ट्रायल. द forensic audit provides solid traceable evidence that is hard to dispute. Unlike a paper trial, a blockchain audit provides concrete, verifiable data. और दूसरी साइड पे डकी भाई की लीगल टीम, they will face a significant challenge. उनको इन संगीन इल्ज़ामात का जवाब देना होगा. अब डिफेंस की हर्डल्स क्या आ सकती हैं जी? वो एक तो legitimate sources की, the defense must prove that the 5,50,000 USD came from a legitimate source. For example, they can argue that this money was from his massive YouTube earnings, brand deal from companies that are not gambling related or other sources of income. They would need to provide bank statements, contracts and other documentation to support this claim. अच्छा, फिर ये हो सकती है बात no awareness of proceeds of crime. अब उनकी legal team could argue that he did not know the money was proceeds of crime. For example, they could claim he was simply paid for a promotional video and he was unaware of the app's illegal activities or the source of the money. फिर उसके बाद important इनका ये हो सकता है जी circumstantial evidence. The defense could try to argue that while he used Binance, the act of using a banned platform does not automatically prove his involvement in a criminal conspiracy. They could say that many Pakistanis use it and he was simply one of them. However, with the large sum of money involved, this argument may not hold up well in court. Amount ही इतनी ज़्यादा ना जी. The freezing of Ducky Bhai's and his family account backed by the forensic audit data shows that our law enforcement agencies are now equipped to handle complex cybercrime cases involving cryptocurrency. This is not a simple matter of a YouTuber getting arrested. This case is a precedent setter for how financial crimes in the digital space will be investigated and prosecuted in Pakistan. His legal team has a very tough battle ahead. The argument must shift from did he promote a gambling app to was the money in his account from illegal sources. The forensic audit data is the most crucial piece of evidence in this entire puzzle. We have to wait and see what the court decides based on the legal arguments and the evidence presented. I will keep you all updated on the next legal development as I get it. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that bell icon for more legal insights. Stay aware, stay informed. Assalamu alaikum.